In this video, I'll be showing you how you can decorate your Sheep Bunting Craft Kit. To decorate your sheep bunting, start by applying your purple ink pad to your ball of wool rubber stamp, and then press your stamp directly onto the wood. Reapply your ink pad to the rubber stamp before stamping onto the wood again. Continue to stamp all over the sheep's body, keeping your impressions close together for an all-over pattern. You can also rotate the ball of wool stamp and stamp off the edge of the body. As we laser cut all of our wooden craft shapes out of the finest Scandinavian birchwood, there's no need to prime before stamping. Make sure to leave a 1 cm space around the sheep's face. To decorate the sheep's fringe, stamp the ball of wool across the forehead 3 times. Next, cut out the mask provided on your Tips and Techniques sheet. This will help mask off the sheep's face while stamping. Position the mask in line with the sheep's face and hold in place. Continue to stamp the sheep's body and over the masked head. When you've completed stamping, remove the mask and a clean pattern will appear around the face. Repeat this stamping technique for your remaining sheep and leave to dry for about 30 minutes. To clean your stamp, stamp repeatedly onto a wet wipe or a damp cloth until there is no ink residue left. Next, apply colour to the sheep's feet by lightly swiping the purple ink pad directly onto the surface of the wood. Colour both sides of the feet and leave to dry for about 20 to 30 minutes. Take your ivory jute string and cut into 10 cm lengths to create 10 pairs of legs for your sheep. To assemble your sheep's legs and feet, tie a knot at one end of your 10 cm jute string. Then feed your string through the hole of one foot. Feed the same string through the hole at the bottom of the sheep's body and again through a second foot. Tie a knot to secure it in place. Repeat this step for the second set of feet and to all the other sheep. Once you have decorated all of your sheep and they are dry to touch, thread the remaining 1 meter length of string through the sheep to create a bunting. Thread your string from front to back through the left hanging hole, then back to front through the right hanging hole of each sheep. Once you have threaded all your sheep, then your bunting is complete.